bag got all full of shit now. Where'd the trash can go?
What trash can? Okay, so we got to straighten up your lock tab, Joe, because you screwed it up and put it in
The
your
vise?
No, you fold it over on itself.
Oh.
Hold it over on itself.
See, it's full over, so you gotta make it new again. I don't think you can go to Harley Bodies anymore, can you?
I'm sure you can.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll come loose if you don't have them on there.
That's why they make Loctite. Okay, I think I got it where I need to be. But it's still folded over. So I have to get in here.
Put it in the vise. Vise straightens out everything.
Get this thing over in the right spot. No, it'll flatten it out. Now that one's bent over. So when they're bent over on themselves, they're going to continue bending over.
I mean, I did that one.
See, it's folded over on itself. So it's called a pinch roll.
Put it in the Ford and beat the...
Well, I can flatten it out, but that's not going to make it bend very well.
It's,
Won't come over anymore. Nope, that one's committed. Have to deal with it. It's flat now. Better or worse. See, one's been clipped. Used. See, instead of putting rust on there for retaining compound, you should put Loctite on your hardware. It stops it from rusting a little bit.
A little bit?
And it locks it.
Not really. I think the first time I took those out, they were really hard to get off there.
really?
Probably all the corrosion that was in there.
Everything kicks up.
Want me to wire wheel them real quick? We don't wire wheel nothing over here at Keenan.
You know what wire wheels do to threads?
Remove metal.
Make them shiny.
It rolls it over.
No.
You see wire wheels around here anywhere? None.
Screws up the threads.
Removes metal.
It mushes it over.
Got that the hard lesson with me, like I did about magnets.
It mushes it over more than it rolls it and removes it, but it's not good for it. All right, where are these holes at, Joe? Oh, there's two of them in there.
Go right there.
Somewhere this thing goes in there,
Oh.
which we can't see because it's dark.
Need some light?
It would help, but there we go. We get through the frame first because there's a bolt hole way back there.
Scratch the chrome.
What chrome? Is there chrome around here somewhere?
There's some.
I'm waiting for that light. I didn't get any, so I just have to deal with
I don't know where the flashlight went.
So I just have to deal without it.
Don't cross it.
Too late.
Its flashlight's right by your front tire.
Go my way. Where you going?
Look at this, all this stuff.
You tripping on me?
Getting out of your way.
You're still tripping.
Well, they said that all the time.
Okay, they're started, Joe.
Huh?
They're started.
Started?
They're started.
Well, they're started. Good.
Now we're
You
gonna-
want me to do the final pinch on them?
Yeah, sure.
There you go. I like that zip.
Okay, it's torqued. Factory.
Cool. Put the chisel back in the box.
I'll let you
Loctite now anyway, huh?
That's your job installing.
They're Loctited now.
Yeah, it's your job doing the locking tab thing. I'm not going to do it.
Alright.
Where's the ignition module at?
In the box.
Box.
Where'd the box go?
It's
Right
over
there.
with the back cover.
Yeah, there's a little screw in there.
Oh
too.
my gosh.
Joe bent his cover up.
I got it on film.
Good as that.
Now he's scratching it.
You left the mark on the table too.
Oh, it's
That
there.
doesn't go inside. That's on the outside. Where's the inside part? Oh, there it is. Didn't turn off. Make sure the titty goes in the titty hole.
The nipple or the titty?
Titty.
It's a titty.
It's a titty?
It's a male-female thing.
That's right. Can't talk about that these days in California.
Because there is no more on.
It's an X.
We're all woke.
It's a eunuch. It's a eunuch. I woke up after Joe called me. Does that count?
Yeah, I guess. Today I want to identify as a gorilla. Are you alright with that, boss?
Sure.
Tomorrow I'm going to be a tiger.
There you go.
And they really respect the people that are talking like that. So it blows my mind.
Yeah, yeah, they're fucked up too. So
Easy on the language.
no, not in that case. It's true.
It's a time and a place.
Yeah. Okay. Where's this go here, Joe?
What are you doing?
Let's see. Let's find that good old Sharpie marker.
A little Sharpie line in there?
There's a line in there somewhere?
Should be 2 screws on the
You're screwed twice?
in that box.
I only see one screw. Joe, it's your job. Get
Huh?
your ignition in here.
Put that.
You're in charge of ignition, Tommy.
Alright.
What are you doing? What are you waiting for? What are you holding up the job over there?
I got
I got the other bolt. I forgot about the other bolt.
Oh,
You got one?
Got to knock the exhaust system.
Okay.
how long is it gonna take to do the push rods?
Not very long.
They're already in there, aren't they?
Yeah, they're the new kind.
Air style. Is that tight? Exhaust mounted. It's a tough job. Charge extra for exhaust. So, you done yet?
Almost. One more screw tighten up.
Did you line it up?
And move that plate a little bit.
You gonna line it up? And make sure he's doing it right, Jeremy.
We need it on video. Oh, down a little bit.
You're supposed to use a small screwdriver.
Is that looking pretty good for the line?
No,
there or not?
that is off. It's off.
My eyes are fucked up too.
Hey,
Tell me that's no good. I mean,
That it was good.
That's straight on right there, isn't it?
I mean,
you're supposed to use a screwdriver to adjust that.
Tatro's Sharpie line.
That's what that slot's for, in case you didn't know.
you're calling that good?
It's his bike. You can do whatever you want.
That's pretty good.
Let me get this right screwdriver in here.
You have to loosen screws up
Does
slightly.
that look good now?
I mean, whoever drew that line,
They didn't match up perfect.
our slightly crooked line, is not that.
It's hard to get good help.
I have on camera that you used the Sharpie.
How's that look now? Not good still?
No, that's good. Good enough.
It's hard to get good help. Doesn't matter who did it.
If it pings,
If it pings,
If it runs good, it's your fault.
I'm advanced too much.
Maybe it's retarded too much.
It's on the verge of pinging often.
There you go. Okay, where's your screw cover up?
First you gotta put on the steel one.
The seal one. Is there a seal on it?
Steel
Is there
one?
a seal on there? Did you deform that gasket by taking that piece off?
That was kind of cut already.
You took off that piece of gasket material. Oh, there's another piece came off.
Should be a couple of.
Yeah, a lot of people just run them like that.
Yeah, I know. A lot of people run without the damn.
You know, they got that black sticker that goes right there that says Tatro. It fits right there.
that's what it was made for.
That's what they're made for.
Oil resistant.
Oh, of course. Yeah, heat, oil,
Heat.
UV, all that shit. Yeah. Yeah, they fit right on that cover. Imagine that. What are you doing?
I didn't have it lined up right.
Why not?
Guess it's in there.
Where's the screw at? I'd recommend you put the screw in the hole. Might be a better way of doing this.
Did I do it?
Screw goes in hole. And screw goes in the other hole.
Maybe you need to turn it 180 degrees.
Should be alright.
Better than 90.
Well,
Most people don't run these. That's the wrong screw. Oh, short one.
Phillips head.
Right.
You weren't trying to put an Allen there, were you?
Yep.
Were you trying to put a butt head screw where a flat head goes? Is that what you were doing?
Trying to put
What kind of mechanics is this? You notice how he's using a straight blade screwdriver for a Phillips.
I just want to get one thread on it and I'd be happy. There it goes.
got it.
This is the alignment tool.
Take that one back, will you? Get out of my hands.
This is the alignment tool.
Oh, no one needs to see 2 screws go back in.
It's very important because Joe was screwing up already. So
I'm screwing up already?
well, you did. You're trying to use a straight blade screw. So it's an application. Of course, that was after you put the Allen flathead in there where the butt head was flathead. Phillips was going.
And the short one mounted. There it is.
The short one, it only takes 2 though.
Where's that custom cover at?
Straight now though.
Harley Davidson. I took my black one off, black lettering one off.
Ooh, that was a custom one.
Rare. I had to put it in the archives.
Yeah, they're hard to come by.
They are?
Where'd you get that black one from?
I have no idea.
You got it on eBay.
Is that what I got?
Yeah, you told me to.
Yeah.
You didn't forget? That was eBay crap.
So I'm not going through straight.
That was your eBay crap, though, not my eBay crap. Are you done yet?
Where'd that Allen wrench go?
It's in the Allen wrench container.
Third one down.
I don't know.
I do.
Okay, as long as you know. You sure? Look at that. It almost fits.
Hmm.
I do the top one first to get better access. You getting all this? Is very important.
Yes.
See, someone has to hold the brake pedal down. Get the other one.
He's lined up good.
No.
One torque.
No, you gotta bring the other screw in. You
It's
never
a
torque
thing.
one side until both sides are touching.
I thought it was
Did you
there.
go to school?
No. I failed.
Oh, look at that. It went flatter now than it was already all the way down.
It's still sticking out.
It's got a gasket behind it. That's what it's supposed to be.
No, it's got a flat plate on it.
They aren't
Huh?
supposed to.
Did you
Flat
get this one
plate?
tight? Is that one tight?
Yeah.
Sure.
I don't want to strip out my Allen bolt.
Yeah, let's pick out your Allen bolt.
Oh, piece of shit.
You said it.
There we go. That's tight now.
There you go. Are you happy with that?
I don't know, you thought they were loose before when you took it apart. So.
Well, if it falls off, you gotta figure out what the black one's at.
Nope.
I know where the black one.
All right. Good to go?
Except for the push rods.
Start it up. It's a run.
Not yet.
Why not?
I don't know, spark plugs in it.
No spark plugs?
And no push rods.
Okay, it's in gear.
They're invisible push rods right now.
So what's next, Joe?
Push rod.
Push one. All right.
Got to
Be back.
put top dead center of that.